Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today let's see how to prepare most popular drink Mango Mastani from Pune. It is unique milkshake made with mangoes, ice cream and topped with nuts. Mango Mastani is very rich, thick milkshake more satisfying as dessert. The best part is it's just prepared in less than 10 minutes and the ease with which it is made. Here I have a mango. I'm cutting it into half. Now make slits vertically and horizontally. Chop it roughly into pieces and transfer to a bowl. Now in a blender, add 1 cup of chopped mango pieces, one to 2 tablespoons of agave or honey or sugar. Next add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You can add more if you wish to. Next add some chilled milk, around half a cup. Now close the lid and blend this into a thick milkshake. Now pour the milkshake in serving glass, leaving room for a scoop of ice cream. Now place the ice cream on top, followed by dry fruits or nuts of your choice, and finally garnish with a glazed cherry. That's it, our mango mastani is now ready to serve with a spoon or a straw. You can use vanilla ice cream or mango ice cream. Also few ice cubes while blending, which is completely optional. Replace condensed milk with sugar as well. Do try delicious and awesome Mango Mastani drink with your loved ones this summer and let us know how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!